Welcome back to the Cars Master. Today we are reviewing the Daihatsu Taft SUV, a compact SUV that dares to stand out, blending rugged toughness with a modern urban edge. The Mitsubishi Daihatsu Taft is more than just a kei car, it's a statement of adventure wrapped in a boxy yet stylish design. With its high ground clearance and squared-off proportions, this compact powerhouse is built to tackle city streets and light off-road trails effortlessly. The front end exudes confidence with its bold grille and sleek LED headlights that pierce through the night with remarkable clarity. Step inside, and the cabin surprises with a clever mix of practicality and technology. The expansive glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere that makes every drive feel refreshing. Despite its compact size, the interior is designed with comfort in mind, offering ample headroom and cleverly placed storage compartments that maximize space efficiency. The seats provide a balance of support and cushioning, ensuring comfort during long drives or quick city commutes. Under the hood, the Mitsubishi Daihatsu Taft packs a spirited 660cc turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive blend of power and fuel efficiency. Whether navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway, the CVT transmission ensures seamless acceleration, making the driving experience smooth and enjoyable. The lightweight frame and well-tuned suspension absorb road imperfections with ease, offering a ride quality that feels stable and composed. Technology takes center stage with an intuitive infotainment system featuring a responsive touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and voice commands. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, keeping the driver informed and engaged. Safety is also a priority, with advanced driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system that enhances visibility in tight parking spaces. Practicality meets personality in this versatile SUV, with a rear cargo area designed to accommodate daily essentials, outdoor gear, or shopping hauls with ease. The rear seats fold down to expand storage capacity, making it ideal for those who need extra room for their adventures. Its fuel efficiency is another strong suit, offering an economical drive without compromising on performance. The Mitsubishi Daihatsu Taft is more than just a kei car, it's a lifestyle choice for those who seek a compact, capable, and stylish vehicle that can handle both city life and the occasional escape into nature. It's small but mighty, efficient yet adventurous, proving that great things truly come in compact packages. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel.